Is Gaming here with another video on the trucking career, and today is episode 69, and today we're taking a bit of a weird job. Well, not weird, it's pretty normal, but we're taking, I can't even say this word, concentrate juices, I believe that's how you say it. It's a World of Trucks job because we're actually going to be completing a job with this Trade Connections Germany event thing that's going on at the moment with the World of Trucks. So we're taking it from Livorno, which is where we ended off the last episode in Italy, and we're going to Munchen. I think because this is in Germany, I believe that's Munich, to be honest. So I think we're taking it to Munich in Dortmund, which is Germany. Remaining 22 hours. That's how long the job is. That's actually how long how do I say it? Like, that's how long the job is active, if that makes sense. So it's offering in 17.5 grand, which is insane. So obviously last episode we had our no damage mod on, and now we're just going to be taking this. So we are going to be limited to 55 and 56 miles an hour, but we should still be able to complete this job. So I am running a timer too, so when we hit like 15 minutes, then I will end out the video, because I'm trying to keep like these videos as short as possible, just like that. I mean, like, let's pop up our mini sat nav so I can actually see how we're doing time wise, and then if need be, then I can put it, end it out. I just have like my timer there as like an alert, if you see what I mean. So yeah, we're taking this World of Trucks job, and hopefully, yeah, we get a World of Job. We get a World of Trucks job complete. For the event thing, having no damage mod on. I can't even see what it's called. Jeez. Alright, there we go. So yeah, completing a World of Trucks event job, if you like, in a trucking career video episode. That's what the title of this video is going to be called. So you stay there, pal. Don't you dare pull out on me. Otherwise, there will be consequences for you, for me crashing into your truck, and you getting the damage, and I'm not getting the damage. See, that's what the title of this video is going to be called: World of Trucks event job thing. If that makes sense. As I said in the last episode, I am thinking about like adding titles to my trucking career videos. Also, I turned fatigue simulation off, so then we can just drive 24/7 and not have to worry about sleeping and everything, just so that we can get like more money in the bank. Two-wheeling like a boss there. So yeah, just so we can get the money up. Get the money in the bank, WWE. Yeah, when I said money in the bank, I just thought of WWE, because like money in the bank is, I think it's like a WWE, how do I say, like matchup, if you see what I mean, like SmackDown and WrestleMania. I think it's like an event that happens or something. It's like a special title match, if you see what I mean. But yeah, when I said money in the bank, I immediately thought of WWE. Yeah, see, 56 miles an hour. I've got my foot flat on the accelerator and it's not going. So that is a little bit annoying, but at least we can still break the laws and everything, like. Lane cutting! Whee! And yeah, we don't have no damage more, because as you can see, if I do that, we get no damage. I've always wanted to do that, just smack into a wall for like Knowing that I don't have a no damage mod, I just smack into the wall. Oh man. Gosh, we're already on 5 minutes recording. I might have to split this down into 2 parts, maybe even 3, because we've just left Italy, or the city that we were in. We're still in Italy, we just left the city just a few moments ago. We're already at 5 minutes. 5 minutes and a half now. We've got 10 hours and a half remaining in game. I think that's going to take probably like, let me think about it, half an hour at most, probably 40 minutes. So yeah, probably like 3 parts at most. You know what, actually, scratch this job of knowing when to end out the episode. I'll just cut it down and keep it to my episode. Like how I put cyan text on the middle of the screen saying end of part 1, continued in part 2, and stuff like that. Makes it easier for me, let's say. Making my way downtown, driving slow. 56 miles an hour, I need to go quicker. I am still going quicker than the truck speed thing, but the cars are going quicker. I can't cope with that. I need to be going quicker. I'm the king of this road. Well. Oh, hello. I wasn't even looking at the screen. I just had my foot flat on the accelerator. No hands. Just looking at my bed. For some reason. There we go. I haven't done well. I took part in one, but like I haven't completed it. I am determined to complete this event. I am. I don't know if like this event like carries on with like my other profiles, because like I might just do it on like another profile, like when I'm not actually recording, and then just do like proper jobs in this one where we can just go like 80 million miles an hour and stuff like that. Apart from that, we're stuck here going 56. So maybe I might like cut this down, like when there's a bit where I'm not speaking and not much happening, then I might just cut it down. Because this isn't really interesting, is it? No. So yeah, we'll do that. And then may have to be just split into 2 parts rather than 3 and stuff. So yeah, I mean this is the same for like when we take like special transport jobs. Yes, we can like go faster, but like you're behind escorts. And speeding up the journey, that made it so more helpful. Because I think that journey took like probably like half an hour. I don't know what episode it was, to be honest. But yeah, it took like an hour. No, hang on. No, it took half an hour to make and about an hour to render because I was speeding it up. Yeah, they don't take that long to render. Then if I put down the episodes, so if I could just like keep like one episode contained just cutting it down, and that would be brilliant. But anyway, here we are, just travelling 56 miles an hour on the motorway when I want to travel like 70 and 80. This is literally what we're doing. Nothing exciting. I'll check back on you guys when something interesting happens. Turning off now, going to Verona. I know this isn't interesting. I just decided to talk about it. There we go, and onto a road that I don't know. Right, let's continue. Right, I'm going to pull in here just to refuel because looking at our fuel, we look a bit low, and I think we don't possibly need it, but I think it's just good to refuel. Where the hell am I supposed to go? I actually have no idea where I'm supposed to go. Right, 3-point turn. Stupid me. Yeah, I'm just... Whoa, hello car. I'm just coming in here to refuel. Just so we have enough fuel to complete this journey. Even though we probably don't need it. And then we have some fuel for future episodes. Right, how am I supposed to do this? Right, take a wide swing. Gonna need to reverse. We still need to reverse, so yeah. That should do us. Possibly. Look at our trailer. Just about. But now we can refuel. I'd laugh if this wasn't the way either. But it turns out it was the right way. Ah, the meme. Do you know the way? Love that meme. All refueled and ready to go. That reminds me of a very childhood program as well. Big Cook, Little Cook. I believe that's what it was called. Anyway, let's continue with this journey. That's all that we can do, to be honest. Right, here we are. About... how long? About 6-7 hours. Probably. Just gone through a toll. I've established it is a bit boring now. But anyway, let's keep on trucking. Approaching another toll right now. Which we're going to have to stop and go. Because this is a pay one. Oh, come on, you paid. Go through now. Right, there we go. Paid some more money, but all in good cause to actually deliver this job. And now we go back to the boring old drive. And I'll see you guys in about 10 minutes in real life. Right, I don't know how I've ended up down here, but I have. So I'm gonna have to go. I'm stuck, aren't I? Yep, let's do that. Yeah, I took the wrong turning, and now I'm struggling to get out. I literally actually can't move. I am actually stuck. Now we're stuck. Right, come on, there we go. Right, there we go. Right. now actually get on the road. And now we need to block off the entire road and complete this turn. Right. Let's go back. And go that way. See, don't obey the rules. Is back. Now let's go. Right, not too long to go now. 57 minutes left to go in game. As you can see on them sat navs. Not too long to go now. Whoa. That was close. Nearly tipped over. If we wouldn't have had this no damage mod on, this truck would probably be on 100% by now. Thankfully we had a no damage mod on that actually worked, and we didn't tip over because obviously it's your boy here, pro truck driver. But anyway, here we are in Munich, or Munchen, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm going to call it Munich because I think that's actually what it is. Turning right here and two-wheeling like a boss. That was actually a sweet two-wheeling there, actually, to be honest. I don't know if it's called what is it called? Like driving on two wheels. I just call it two-wheeling. I don't know if that's what it's actually called. But yeah. But as I said, here we are in Munich, ready to deliver. I think I'm not going to do World of Truck Jobs on this career, unlike this career mode. I think I'm only just going to do it on like in my own time when I have time to do it. This is going to be the only one that we're going to do. Right. All we need to do now is just park the trailer. I'm leaving it there. I don't care. Right. Let's decouple the trailer and see our stats. Synchronizing your progress. Thank you very much. Excellent rating. Driven distance 481 miles. Time taken 40 minutes. That's real time. That's real time. So we took 40 minutes completing this job. 287.1 litres of fuel consumed. World of Truck contracts completed. 9. Thank you. So base reward 400, yeah, all of that. So basically earned 7.5 grand, and we got 1000 XP, which ups us a level to level 20 master. Oh yeah. So what should we do? Let's put it on eco driving, so then we can have up to 30% of fuel save when driving with the trailer, and up to 30% of fuel save when driving free. So actually, should we? ADR, flammable liquids, gases. Let's do explosives, because then we can transport fireworks on the 5th of November. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. See, I've got firework night, or whatever you want to call it, planned too. So now overall we actually have 73 grand for our company, which is insane. But that is going to be the end of this video, guys. Wait, hang on. Profit in the last 7 days was that? Profit in the last 7 days, 99 grand. Wow. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video, guys. So if you did like this video, then leave a like on it. That would be awesome, and thank you very much. Subscribe if you want to see more videos on the trucking career, and that would be awesome. And wait, how would that be awesome? It just would be. It would make my day. But thank you guys for watching. Also, click the notification bell after you subscribe, so then you can be notified every time I put out a new video. So then you guys can go and like the video first. You can comment first on the videos. You can view the video first. Whatever you want to do on the videos, you can do first, basically. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and peace.